how we went from this to this. Watch this video to find out exactly how we did value add in industrial. It's a good day to own some industrial outdoor storage. What is industrial outdoor storage? Let me show you a perfect prototype. 14,000 square feet on 2 acres of graveled yard. This is an ideal size for a large range of tenants, and they pay great rent, minimal landlord responsibilities, and there's always an exit. All right, so we put this thing on the market at $7,000 an acre, both for this 13,000 square feet as well as the 2 acres of yard. And we have several LOIs. I'll share some of those details. People were looking for 3-year terms. Somebody wanted a 2-year extension. Ideally would be a 5, but I think in this market, at this size, a 3-year lease deal is much more common. They are typically automotive type users. So we got a trailer repair company. We have some automotive. We had a tire recycler. So different uses, and being in the ETJ, that really opened up the permitted uses that we weren't restrained by zoning. We paid all cash. We put in about $75,000 for these renovations, and we're looking to strike pretty close to $14,000 a month triple net. Well, let's look at the yard. This is the selling feature. I think it looks much better with an expansion. The clean angles is way more functional, and it just makes it feel a lot bigger. This is a highly functional yard space. We've got these LED wall packs. So this is the biggest issue. I really think you can see this grading decrease the angle, but this is the gully here is the issue, because I think once water hits the concrete, there's nothing to stop it from going straight in the building. Take a look at the warehouse space. I mean, this is a very functional building. I mean, these are just massive doors, 16 by 16. Functional little office here. I like how we just kind of painted it. Let's talk about the power here. This has heavy duty power. Each of these is a 600 amp pole mounted transformer. So we've got 1200 amps because we have 2 separate meter feeds into this building. You can see meter here, meter there. We've got some exterior LED lighting. It's really just a huge improvement. I mean, look at these before and after. I'm just really pleased with how everything turned out. This is a great looking building. Again, we painted the bollards here. You can see this massive door, main loading door. Love it. We'll go into the office shortly, but that's the main office. Lots of things we could have done here, but I'm really not sure that we would have seen a good ROI. And at the end of the day, you've got to do things that make financial sense. And that's what this refreshed office looks like. Can't beat it for, what did we spend on the office? Less than 10? Less than 10K. Less than 10K to refresh this office. Is it beautiful? Not quite. Is it very functional for an industrial property of this caliber? Yes. From the earlier videos, it is absolute transformation. And I think this is a nice deal because we closed on this property in May. We bought this last month. We already have a lease out for execution, and we're underwriting 6 months of downtime. We don't know what this market, what this economy, and what crazy things Trump's gonna do in office, but the demand was very strong. I think we had over 20 letters of interest, not quite an LOI, but people were inquiring about it. We did at least 6 or 8 tours of the building. And so, yeah, it's a great little deal. We're gonna keep it. We bought it all cash. We'll probably refinance. And on to the next one. All right, so if you want to do these types of industrial deals, smash that like button, drop a comment for the market that you're in, because this is the best kind of IOS. It's small, it's fast to lease, and it's a low cost to get started.